Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today I was coerced into making my wife's new favorite cocktail here at SLB. It's called the Lemonhead cocktail. And as the name describes, it has a lot of nice lemon flavors to it, but it's also a little bit on the sweet side. And that's her new favorite cocktail. Before we get started, do me a favor, if you would please hit that subscribe button. It'd be very important to the show and we'd certainly appreciate it. Once you've done that, hit the bell notification. That way you don't miss a single episode of the show. Okay, the Lemonhead cocktail. Now, I don't really have all this cocktail memorized yet, so my wife may have to help me with some of the measurements. Possible. I might not remember them all, but we've started mixing this up about, 2 or 3 weeks ago? Something like that. So, and it's been a hit with my daughter, my wife, and most of the ladies. So, anyways, let's get started with the Lemonhead cocktail. The first thing that I want to do is prep the glass. I want a sugar rim glass for this cocktail. So we're going to take our coupe. We're going to take a lemon wedge. Just kind of give it a nice rub all the way around the rim. I have a small dish of finely granulated sugar. All you got to do now is just dip it into sugar. Look at there. Sugar rim. We're going to set that to the side. Get our jigger and tin ready to go and get started. Alright, we're going to start with the simple syrup. This is just a 1-to-1 ratio. Just a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. But we also have some more sweetener with agave nectar. This agave nectar we're going to put in 3/4 ounce, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry. 1/2 ounce, my bad. 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1/2 ounce agave nectar, which will give you 3/4 ounce total sweetener. Now, lemon juice. We got quite a bit going in here. 1.5 ounces freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, 1.5 ounces. Now to our spirits, Limoncello. How much is this one, babe?
1.5 ounces.
Huh?
1.5 ounces.
1.5 ounces. Limoncello. Okay. We're going to move on from Limoncello to a Citron vodka. Today we're using Absolut. That would be 1 ounce. 1 ounce of Absolut Citron. More lemon flavor, as you can get the gist of the cocktail. We got a lot of lemon flavors going on in there. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of Cointreau orange liqueur triple sec. You can use your preferred triple sec. I'm putting in 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. That's all the ingredients of the cocktail. I'm going to get some ice in this tin and we're going to give it a shake. Try to get a good lock in our tins. All right. We'll get our cocktail coupe back up here, prepared with a sugar rim. I am going to double strain, make sure all the ice shards are not in the glass. There you have it. That, my friends, is a Lemonhead cocktail. See what we got. very good, yet very sweet. Maybe what I should have done, because for me, as sweet as the cocktail is, I'm not sure if I appreciate the sugar on the rim all the way around, so when I'm taking a drink I'm getting the sugar and the cocktail. So probably what I should have done, and you can think about also, is just rim sugar on half of the glass. That way if a person wants, somebody you're serving the cocktail to, they want that sugar and they want that sweet Lemonhead cocktail, they can get the sugar. If they do not, they have a half of the cocktail coupe that you can also have without sugar. That's probably what I should have done in this particular instance. But there you have it. That's my lady's favorite new cocktail here at SLB, so I hope you enjoyed that. You can find us on Facebook at SLB, Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also find us on Instagram at SLB Drinks. But most importantly of all, we'd appreciate it if you would please drink responsibly at all times. See ya.